Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Washington Savings Bank mobile banking app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. The Washington Savings Bank mobile banking app is a mobile application designed to help customers manage their accounts from their smartphone or tablet. The app offers key features including balance checking, transaction history, mobile check deposit, fund transfers between linked accounts, bill payment, and branch and ATM locators. It supports secure login options such as PIN or biometric authentication where available. The app's main feature is its mobile banking dashboard. Users can instantly view account balances, monitor recent activity, deposit checks remotely using their camera, transfer funds, and pay bills with a few taps. Notifications and alerts help keep account holders informed about activity such as low balances or large transactions. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate the convenient mobile deposit feature, the clean interface, and the overall ease of navigating account details on the go. The ability to find branches or ATMs and access card settings adds to the flexibility of this mobile banking app. However, there are some drawbacks. Some users note that certain features such as external account linking or advanced financial planning tools are limited. Mobile deposit limits and timing may vary depending on account type or region. There may also be occasional performance issues during app updates, especially on older devices. In summary, the Washington Savings Bank mobile banking app may be worth using if you're a customer of Washington Savings Bank looking for a reliable way to handle everyday banking tasks, checking balances, transferring funds, depositing checks, and paying bills, all from your mobile device. However, if you require sophisticated financial management or multi-bank support, you may want to supplement with other tools. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.